Valentine, where do we go next on Yuan?
Well, we think weaker still. Our call is that dollar yuan may reach 730 before too long. Longer term, we see it hitting 750. We do think that the fixing policy by the PBOC, but overall the communication has been that they're not afraid to let it slide a bit more. And I guess the key there would be to try to offset any negatives coming from the trade war between the US and China. I guess obviously the factor that may contain any further depreciation would be considerations about financial stability, especially given the experience from 2015-2016 where the sharp yuan depreciation did trigger a significant deterioration in the Chinese balance of payments. However, it does seem to be a somewhat different setup that we have at the moment. We had the SDR basket reform in 2016. The yuan is a reserve currency. Central banks hold about 2% of their 14 trillion or so reserves in yuan, so they're committed buyers, plus we still have the Chinese FX reserves that still outweigh the Chinese FX liabilities, and we do think there's some pent-up demand from corporates. So ultimately it may be the case that PBOC is still comfortable with some more weakness from here.